What's up, diary? So recently, my mom gave me this fabric, and I decided to make a tiered dress. Is it called tiered? Or is it tired? I don't know. I'm sorry, I'm botching this pronunciation. English is not my first language. So yeah, I'm going to make one of those dresses. For I'm cutting off the borders. Yeah, and I'm using my daughter's toys as a wait. Don't judge me. Now that I have cut out all the bodice pieces, I'm gonna start working on the sleeves. Here I'm using the arm curve of my bodice and just marking it out on folded fabric to make sleeves. Now, there is a way, I know, but I'm just so lazy. That's why it's happening like this. Saves time, saves energy, and saves my brain from melting too. So yeah, and I'm gonna make like full sleeves, so it's as long as my arm. And maybe I'm thinking puffy sleeves, that's why it's a bit flared right now. Let's see. So now it's time to work on the skirt part or the tier part. I have folded my fabric like lengthwise into 4 times and once on the vertical side, so it'll make cutting easier. Now I'm going to divide it into equal sections vertically like this. I have marked like 7 inches per section, I think. Yeah, and I'm going to cut it off. Please bear with the background noise, that's just my daughter. I learned that cutting 4 layers is not easy. My scissors were protesting the whole time, but I'm too lazy to open it up and mark it all the way through, so I just forced my scissors to do it. I'm sure if my scissors had a voice, they would be cursing me all the time. But yeah, it worked, and I managed to cut off my tears. So I have managed to divide my fabric into 3 layers. Like the first one is like one, the second one is twice the length of the first one, and the third one is thrice the length of the first one. Don't ask me for measurements, I never measured it, I just winged it. Yeah. The second and third layers had to be attached at a few places because yeah, the fabric got cut. So that's what I'm doing here first. Then I started stitching basting stitches, 2 rows of basting stitches, so that I can gather my fabric. I don't even know why I'm starting this project. I hate gathering, it's like my enemy. But yeah, I love tiered dresses, so I'm doing this. So I'm gonna skip to the process of gathering because yeah, it took me an awful long time and I cried somewhere in the middle of it. But yeah, now I'm since I gathered the third layer first, I'm gonna attach it to the second layer, then I'm gonna gather the second layer, then attach it to the first layer, then gather the first layer and attach it to the bodice. I hope I make sense. So now two layers have been gathered, one has been attached, and as you can see in the middle there's a thread broken there, but I'm not gonna address it. I'm just gonna sew it down like that. Hopefully it won't be noticeable. Yeah, and then I'll be attaching it to the first layer, and then you know. So my three layers are done. Originally I was gonna have three layers, but then I felt like it's too short for me. So luckily I had some extra fabric and managed to make one more tier. Yeah, so I'm gonna be attaching some more and gathering some more. Yay me. I have done. The worst part is over. Now it's time for the bodice. This is simple. I'm gonna sew down the shoulders and then attach sleeves and all. Finish the neckline, basic. And the neckline is done. Now I'm gonna be attaching the sleeves part. So I have cut it a bit flared, so kind of I was planning on making kind of puffy sleeves, but I don't know, now I'm starting to rethink it because I don't think puffy sleeves are gonna look good in this fabric. Let's see, I'll try it out. Maybe if it looks good I'll keep it, maybe not. Let's see. So I have attached the sleeves and my hunch was correct. Puffy sleeves do not look good. I tried putting an elastic there, right here, and it looked horrible. So I'm just gonna like sew a straight line here, making it a normal full sleeve. And all that's left will be attaching the bodice to the skirt part. And I have to hem the sleeves also. I forgot to do it before attaching the sleeves. Here you can see me, I have kind of like made a sewed down into a straight sleeve. I'm going to do this same thing to the other sleeves. Ignore the awkward angle, please. Yeah, so I'm gonna stitch it down here, marking the same equal distance. Turn it into a normal sleeve. So they are done. I finished hemming the sleeves. Yeah, now it's time to attach the skirt to the bodice. I think I'll have to gather some more. Oh god, yeah, some more gathering is needed here at the top. I think it's fine because it's not that long of a fabric. Yeah, so it's over. I did it, and all there is now hemming. I'm gonna use a curly hem foot and just like make it easier on myself. Yeah, so I'm done. I used a yellow color thread that kind of matches the flowers. Yeah, that's it. So this is the final look of my dear tired dress. I am very tired, that's for sure. If you like my videos, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.